This video explains the INT Books quick order system. On our main page, we have a series of drop-down menus which give access to our search function, information about us, online resources, teacher resources, and a series of web pages just wrapped around various school topics. Also is a series here of special web pages that are part of our quick order system. We have our full school catalogue. We have by month the new book releases. And from time to time we will have special offers. For example, here we have World War I and Gallipoli. I'll demonstrate using the school catalogue. Down the bottom of the screen you'll see a set of boxes. This is actually floating over the web page of the catalogue or the new book information or the special offer. If you're using Windows and Internet Explorer, this box may be fixed to the bottom of the web page, so you'd need to scroll down the whole web page to see it. It still works, it's not as easy to access. Now, if you click on a book of interest, so here's Poison Alert, the ISBN turns red and it's entered the same book information here in this order box. This is plain text. You can go in here and edit it if you want to change the quantities. Or, this is a neat trick, if you're using a tablet for example, if you click the same title a number of times, it will just duplicate the line entry. Don't worry, if we see an order with multiple lines, we will always double check that this is what you intended. But it is a quick way of ordering a set without having to get into all of the detail of the editing online here. I'll take this out so we don't get confused. Okay. Now, when you've finished building your order, this information is ready to be sent to us. First of all, we need to fill in a school or organisation name. We would like a contact name, a contact email, get back to that in a minute, a contact telephone number just in case we have to query multiple lines or some problems. And in this last box, if you have a bookseller that you prefer to use, put their name in there. We will forward the order to that person or that organisation and let them fill it. If nothing's put in there, or if INT Books is put in there, then we'll assume that it's okay for us to fill the order. The first box up here is also an expandable text box, so it can contain just a simple order number or order instructions. You can put quite complex instructions in there. I'll get back again to that in a minute. When this is all filled in, if you click to place an order, the system will verify that these boxes have been filled in correctly and that there's a valid email address. It'll ask you to come back and correct them if there's a mistake. But if everything's fine, this will then send a text-based email to us and also to this email address. So it doesn't have to be your own, but it does need to be an address where a copy of the order should be lodged in your organisation or school. You'll notice that we have quite a number of books where an ebook version is available. If, for example, you want to order ebooks, you can use the print ISBN to build up the list, but in special instructions, just tell us this is an ebook order. It's also not a shopping cart, so it's really a conversation if you just want to have a wish list, or if there's a few titles, say a series for example, that you're interested in. Just list them and put in here, not an order number, but could you give me a ring and talk to me about this series, or could you send me some sample pages, or I'd like a catalogue for more information please. As I said, it's really a conversation rather than a shopping cart in the traditional sense. Word of warning though, if you leave this page before finishing and sending the order, all that information will be gone. demonstrate that quickly. It's blanked out, so do be careful. The same thing happens with new books. In this case, our special offer. This system was designed to make ordering using a tablet simple. Everything's technically on one screen, but do contact us if you have any problems or if it doesn't work for you. Thank you very much.